So, unfortunately in the last video where I crashed, I've actually put a tiny little crack in my shoulder, so no riding today, and it's kind of raining actually in the UK today, so bit of a garage day, not much exciting. We're going to drain the fuel on the XR Hyundai because it's got loads of sand in it. I'll see if we can see in the tank, and you can see the sand maybe. Don't know if you can see that, probably need like a light or something. There's some sand in that, so we're going to do that, and then the sick KX125, finally from Italy, got a new disc, so take that little piece of shit off, put that in, and then on the Z50, which actually is a 90 and the exhaust is loose as, so I'm going to put, drill the hole a little bit longer on that because it's got a 90 engine in. The mounting point of the exhaust is out by a few mil, so I can't lift the GoPro up because of my thing, but yeah. Bit of a garage day, just a little tour and some time lapses, so there's still something for you to watch at home. Here we go, carbs off already, and we're going to clean the bowl out pretty much straight away to get all the dirt out there. Then I'll take the tank off, and what am I going to do? Take the tank off and do it. Oh my, I mean, is that the air filter though? Can anyone see all that dirt? Is that coming out the airbox?
This is split.
Looks like the airbox is split, which could be part of our issue, and there's more sand going in than we think, even straight in to the carb. Or is that out the tank? Nah, that's got to be airbox.
Oh, yeah,
right, a few things to look at here. Right, carb bowl off. Check out the state of that little mess in there. She's seen better days. We'll give that a good clean out, because we've got to make this thing run good again, because it's too sick. Wow. Right, buzz the old seat off. The big banana. I get it off. Mate, this bike is clean underneath, like a clean rig. How sick it is, man. Alright, little tank strap. Get that bad boy off. Is that all that holds that on?
1, 2.
We got a little bolt up front. Buzz him off. Yeah, go on, you buzz it off. So one each side, or is that a big longy?
One each side.
It's disconnected from the carb, yeah.
Done.
That is the Honda XR tank off. Annoyingly, it's quite full, so we're gonna have to like drain half the fuel. But I can just pour it out the top. Got a good idea for this.
Am I?
What we're gonna do with all of it? There's too
That's
much.
way too much.
We'll put some in here. We've got a little fire we need to add, so some of the petrol can go in here, but not all of it, because it's going all over the floor. I'll probably have to move this before we have a fire. If I could just pour it slightly better, it would go like into it. I mean, is that too much petrol?
Definitely don't like that.
In the thing?
Definitely don't like
Right,
that.
we'll like that in a sec.
No.
Where am I going to put the rest of it? Okay, I'm getting nervous because we have flames. It's going to go out as soon as I throw it.
Leave
That was well good. Look at it go.
Don't be sure that's all burnt.
I reckon it is. That came out.
Far.
Hold that. I'll get a good shot for it for the family. Hope it doesn't blow up again. You've got to come a bit closer.
Where's the screen? Here.
Any good? This is well good. Now we can burn all this stuff we had. And then...
I would honestly watch out, because there's a little puddle. It should be gone, but...
Mate, it's all gone. Right, perfect. So we're going to slowly get rid of some of the fuel. Right, we've got the rest of the fuel tank draining into our trusty fuel bucket. And then now, let's check what else we've got to do on this. Basically, airbox, all that drains out. So, how do we get it off?
Strap the other side.
Alright, click her off. Actually, we're doing maintenance on the new hog. Oh my god. Yeah, I think we could do with a new air filter actually, considering it's missing half of it. Wow. Turns out it doesn't have much of an air filter, so we'll probably order a new air filter for the XR Honey today. Right, let's rip that out and see if we've done, hopefully not, undoing damage. Right, we don't even know which way to undo the little airbox clip. Down? Oh no, it is in and then up. In and then up. I think. Wow, such rookies, we can't even work this out. Definitely goes in, I can see the thing. It's too dirty, so we can't see what we're trying to unhook it off. That's how insane this is. Can't believe this ran as well as it did. There we go. And here's the, I guess, half the air filter. Is this even an XR air filter? Wow. I mean, probably could have checked that before we rode it. Well, today we're going to get the XR cleaned out ready for its new stuff. But this one won't be done today. Wow, man. It's really not looking that great. Oh, we need like more light in there. Here we go, we got a light on it. That's the rest of what's inside the airbox. Well, we'll clean it out, that's super boring. We'll clean it out, put the fuel tank and everything back on, and then we'll wait to put a new air filter in a different day. So we just took the fuel tap out the bottom of the tank because there was so much sand and shit in there. So basically now, like I said, I'm just going to quickly reassemble this bike and then wait for the new air filter to turn up. And also, even though I'm in the middle of doing this, give me 2 seconds and to show the other thing we need to get done to it next week is, let me pinch these suckers up here. Your little 8mm, even though my shoulder's pretty sore, but we'll get there. Fuel tap refitted in the old tank. Right, the tank can go back on the bike, but if everyone wants to have a laugh, the only problem we have after this little fuel rebuild is this. So on the rear end of this bike, look underneath. It needs some new linkage bushing, so they're now en route. Right, we're going to rebuild this little sucker, and then we're on to the KX125 disc. Doesn't matter if the screen goes black. Right, let's put that back on.
Yeah.
XR at the sick bay, although it's still waiting for a couple parts. And then now KX125 oversized disc. Let's go! Too excited with the gun, may as well buzz these off, and then we don't need to move the bike over really. Get the front wheel out, get this beast done. 22. Got it? You can do it. Tell you what, let's do an unboxing of the braking disc. Let's see what comes with it all. So you get a set of heads, an adapter, and pretty much the sickest disc you've ever seen to go on. Wow, that's cool. This bad boy. Look at those fork coatings. We've got to tap that through. So, camera room now. Last bolt coming out here. Really old stock disc. Look at the changes they're gonna make. Wow, it looks so cool. You can't be mad at that look. Almost done. I got literally doing these now. Just ready.
Yeah.
And there we have it, sports fans. Lost an end cap, but check out that wheel. Fresh disc. Little garage maintenance day. Park tool piston pusher. Do we need it?
As well.
Lovely bit of kit. Lovely bit of kit. Yeah, too easy. Old KX disc can go with the rest of the old motorbike parts in here, apart from spare Athena head. Bracket on, going back on. Oh, actually too sick. Think about any flashy bolts, did they? Bastards. Did we even need it?
Yeah,
It's definitely bigger, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, gonna be the dream.
Where's the 6 gone?
There she is. 6 of these on. Wheel back on the bike. Look at a sick disc. Kept the stocky on the rear, but the front is looking good. And the next up, as soon as he's just going to pinch that up, we're going to get a little Z50 here out, because the exhaust needs a little re-drill since she's got a 90 head on it. So just pull that out so it's ready. How are we looking over here?
No,
Is that tied up?
past 4. I've got a...
Help had to go, but hopefully right now through the tool drawer back a bit, and I'll be able to bang this axle in with a slightly shifted shoulder, and get a cool looking disc on this bike hopefully. Oh, look how cool it's going to be. Don't know where he put the wheel nut, is there any issue? Oh, here it is. Don't want that sucker falling off. 22 back in. Let's get the 10 on. Tighten up these pinch bolts. We're going to have a pretty good looking KX125. Might be a few weeks or a couple weeks before I can ride it now, but we'll see. And we're having some issues with the lander and the whoops, if I'm honest, so I'm really hoping they're still going to come off, but if we can't get the whoops, I'm going to be gutted, but there's always going to be a backup. We will get this to a set of gnarly Supercross whoops at some point. Just got to see how the lander's going over the current ones. See if we're ever going to be able to ride them. I mean, wow. It's just a disc, but come on, that looks cool. I can get my hand to the bar just about. Pump this sucker back up. Ooh, there she is. Right, disc done, next up. Z50 needs a couple mods. So like I said, garage day, it's kind of raining and I got a sore shoulder. So like I said, garage day, it's kind of raining and my shoulder's not feeling too great, so the Z50 is our last little project for the day. It's got a 90 head on, which is slightly longer, so the back hole here doesn't match up with the original Honda frame, so I've got this little metal zip tie right now, but we're gonna get rid of that, drill this guy a little bit longer, and then it should bolt on good, because right now it's got a bit of wobbly movement, which is really annoying. So unbolt it here, drill it longer. Just got to take the little header bolts off. Hope everyone loves listening to a ratchet. I do. There's one. And number 2. Comes off there, cut the metal zip tie, and we should have that straight off really. So we've got some cutters in my organised tool drawer. There she goes. So, just like that. And it is a Honda Genuine, which makes me feel a bit sick to drill that hole longer, but we don't really have much choice. Let's do it. Right, first round of drilling done. It's not accurate, but like I said, Honda Z50, it just needs to work really. So see if we can get it to fit. Just gonna eye it up now and see if it even gets remotely better up there. Yeah, it looks like it's a bit longer. Let's have a look. So, not sure it's perfect, but there is a bolt in up top. There's little guys in down here. Let's see how we go. Definitely better if I was using my right hand, but it's not too good. Right, if anyone's watched this video this far, the next video I'm going to do is actually going to be a question and answer. I'll try and make it a bit interesting and different from your usual ones. But yeah, feel free to ask me any questions, write them in the comments below this video. I'm going to put a thing on Instagram tonight as well, saying, yeah, question and answer. I'll make it like good little length, pretty much anything you want to know. I will try and answer within reason. And yeah, I'll just try and make it as interesting as possible, really. Could be about bikes, motorbikes, racing, anything you want that I may or may not know about. I don't know much about these, if I'm honest. I just like hacking away and trying to make motorbikes work because I've got to get better at some point. So yeah, hopefully. Oh, it's actually pinched up. No way. The Z50 has got a bolt and an exhaust. Super lazy before not to do it, but she's done now. Let's give it a little rip around the garden if I can. I say rip, it's going to be so slow because I'm really sore because my stupid elbow. I'm trying to do a cool Sunday store. Just try and spin this little sucker around. Try and get it off. And will it go first kick? No. It will not. I wonder why. Because it should have. The choke was on, it's a run choke, so. Oh, the annoying rattle is gone. So good. First gear. We gotta watch out for all the dog food because Lada Park, he's making some. Oh, so many. There we have it. Z50 run up. Well, I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. A little bit boring, but we can't do much else, so here it is. Z50. What else do we do? Front brake, some extra bits. Enjoy, ask some questions, and see you next time.